Hey, welcome. So, have you ever wanted to build a system that brings in leads, but you just feel like you're starting from absolute zero? Well, if that's you, you're in exactly the right place. We're going to break down how to build a simple, super effective funnel from scratch. All right, let's get into it.
This right here, this is our model for today. We are tackling the biggest hurdles right out of the gate. You don't need a huge email list. You don't need a massive ad budget to get this thing working. Seriously, no list, no ads, no problem.
I get it. If this question hits home, you are not alone. That feeling of just staring at an empty audience, wondering, where do I even start? Yeah, that's exactly what we're going to solve today. This isn't just theory. This is your practical first step.
Okay, so what in the world is a funnel anyway? It's a word that gets thrown around all the time, and it can sound really technical, maybe even a little intimidating. But I promise you, the idea behind it is incredibly simple. We're going to strip away all that jargon.
At its core, this is all a funnel is. It's just a system, a way to guide someone, a potential customer, by solving a small problem for them first. And when you do that, you earn their trust, all because you're offering them real, genuine value.
I love this analogy because it makes it so clear. Imagine a stranger on the internet with a problem. Your funnel is that simple, friendly path you create for them. You're the guide in the middle, offering a clear solution. And that path leads them from being a total stranger to becoming a happy customer. That journey, that's your funnel.
All right, let's get into the how-to. We're not building some 27-step monster funnel here. Nope, this is your starter blueprint. It's designed to get you from zero to your very first leads as quickly as possible, and it only has 3 simple steps.
Here's our roadmap. Super simple, right? First, we've got the lead magnet. That's the hook. Second, the landing page. Think of it as the simple doorway they walk through. And third, the welcome emails. This is where the magic happens, where we build a real relationship. Now let's break each one down.
So step 1, the lead magnet. The key here is value. You have to ask, why should someone give you their precious email address? Well, it's because you're giving them something awesome in return. Your lead magnet is your free gift, and it has to solve a small specific problem for them, like right now, an instant win.
And you don't need to write a 200-page ebook. Keep it simple. Look at these ideas. A quick checklist, a swipe file of good ideas, a cheat sheet. Think quick win. That example, 3 rookie mistakes killing your website traffic, is perfect. It's specific, it promises a clear benefit, and it solves a real pain point.
Okay, on to step 2, the landing page. This page is a specialist. It has one job and one job only, to get that visitor to sign up for your awesome freebie. That means no clutter, no navigation menu, no links to your social media, nothing to distract them. Just a laser-focused page that gets the sign up.
And you absolutely do not need to be a tech genius to build one. Seriously, tools like Systeme.io or ConvertKit have amazing free plans that are made for beginners. You can whip up a professional-looking landing page in just a few minutes. The tech is not a barrier anymore.
Okay, so you got their email. Awesome. Now what? Well, now you build a relationship. This simple 4-day email sequence is perfect for that. Day 1, you deliver what you promised. Then you keep providing value, you show them you're a real human with a relatable story, and then you gently invite them to take the next step with you.
So you've built this beautiful little engine. Now it just needs some fuel. And this is the part that stops so many people. They think, how do I get anyone to actually see this if I have no audience? Don't worry, we've got a plan for that too.
Here's the secret. You go where your audience already hangs out. Don't try to create an audience from thin air. Find them. Go on a site like Quora and find questions your ideal customer is asking. Give them a genuinely helpful answer, and then, just drop a link to your freebie for more info. Do the same thing in Facebook groups. These methods are so powerful because you're leading with value. And hey, if you have a tiny budget, even $5 a day on a targeted Facebook ad can really kick things off.
So how do you know if any of this is actually working? It's so easy to get lost in a sea of data. For your first month, I want you to ignore almost everything and just focus on 3 key numbers. This is your simple scorecard.
First up, your landing page opt-in rate. This is your #1 most important metric when you're starting out. It's simple. Out of every 100 people who visit your page, how many actually sign up? A really healthy funnel will convert between 30 and 50%. If you're below that, no big deal. It's just a clear signal to maybe test a new headline or make your lead magnet a little more irresistible.
Second, your email open rate, specifically for that very first welcome email. If you're getting over 40% of people to open it, that's a fantastic sign. It means your subject line worked and people are genuinely excited to get the thing you promised them. And finally, your click-through rate. Are people actually clicking the link inside your email to download your freebie? This tells you if they're really engaged. Anything over 5% is a solid start and proves that your content is really hitting the mark.
Okay, once you get those first 100 leads, and you will, you've officially proven the concept. You've built a system that works, you've got momentum. So, what's the next logical step to grow this thing?
You scale it, that's what. First, you create a small, low-cost product, something from like $7 to $27. It's an easy yes and a natural next step from your freebie. This is designed to turn a lead into a paying customer. From there, you can add an upsell and start to automate the whole sales process.
I really want to leave you with this thought. Perfection is the enemy here. Your first funnel will not be perfect, and that's okay. But if you just focus on being clear, making a real connection, and celebrating those small wins along the way, you'll be so far ahead of everyone who's still stuck trying to make things perfect.
So my question for you is this. What is the one tiny little step you can take today to get started? Maybe it's just brainstorming 3 ideas for that lead magnet. Whatever it is, take that one action. Get that momentum going. And hey, if you want to go deeper and launch a high-converting funnel without all the overwhelm, I've got a free masterclass waiting for you over at www.homebizsimple.com. You'll learn the fastest way to get to $5,000 a month with no tech stress and, yes, no audience required.